This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Photo P and signing in. This ties edits to your account so you can sync later. Tap the upload icon and pick 120 images because fewer at once reduces upload errors. Once selected, review formats, JPG, PNG, hike, and check file sizes. Large files slow the process. Make sure Wi-Fi is active or you have a stable 4G connection. Then press Upload to start the pipeline and watch the progress bar for confirmation. Once the images are uploaded, you move into editing and organization. Tap an image to access crop, adjust, and filters. Edits are non-destructive, so you can revert later. Next, create albums or folders and drag images to reorganize. This keeps similar photos together and speeds future searches. Make sure to add tags, captions, and location metadata. Use batch tagging for groups of images to save time. These steps help you find photos fast and keep your library tidy and searchable. To finish, export or share your images, choose size and quality % and pick JPG or PNG depending on needs. You can share via generated link, post to social, or allow direct download. Set permissions so viewers can view or edit. Once done, verify the exported files in your device folder. If something goes wrong, retry the upload, clear the app cache, or re-authenticate your account. These steps fix most errors quickly. And if needed, restart the app before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.